It's easy to add your employees to your Plannr site. Simply head to Contacts and click on Add New and then Employee. If the employee hasn't started with your firm, you can add them as a prospect. For now though, we'll say no to this and say that they are a current member of staff. Enter their first and last name and also their work email address. If they have their own virtual diary, you can also put a link here to allow their clients to book meetings with them. Going now to the employee roles, this will determine how much access they have to your Plannr site. A member has general everyday access to clients and plans in the groups that they are a part of. An admin can do all of this and also access the settings area of Plannr and make changes to firm-wide settings. An owner has full functionality within Plannr and maximum permissions, including billing. We will set up this employee as an admin level user and put them down as an advisor. You can multi-select here if your employee is part of more than one area of your business. Next, we will select which groups they should have access to, and as we have added an advisor, we will need to state the RMAR advice type for this employee, which is independent. Finally, we're going to select salaried advisor for the split. You can create multiple advisor splits in the settings area of Plannr depending on how your firm operates. Click Save, and we've successfully created an employee record. However, this alone will not give the user a login to Plannr, nor does it trigger a billable license. To do this, you will need to head to the Access tab within the employee's contact record and click on Create Login. The first thing we will do is confirm the employee's work email address again, and then we have some options to select. You can choose to make the login expire after a certain period of time, which we will say no to. You can select if you want the employee to be able to make changes, which we'll say yes to. And finally, you can set if you want the user to have permission to delete things in Plannr, which we will keep as no. Clicking on Create will trigger an email to the employee inviting them to sign into Plannr and create a license for the user too.